my brother Yunus alayhi salam, La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu min al-zalimin. No Muslim ever make this dua except Allah will answer him. Or like Sheikh bin Baz rahimahullah said, after you finish and make your dua, whatever you want, end it by La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu min al-zalimin. For example, Ya Allah, cover my debt. Ya Allah, cure me. Ya Allah, guide my son. Ya Allah. And then at the end it by saying La ilaha illa anta subhanak inni kuntu min al-zalimin. Say it with yaqeen. Say it with yaqeen, with certainty that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam promised that the dua will be answered. Wallahi, when we take the words of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and we implement them, you will see the results in our life, and the barakah will spread all over.